Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and as you know, I talk about food design. Today I want to talk about a Christmas present that I have received. A Christmas present that happens to be a good example of a food design product. This gift was given to me by my good friend Roberto, and the product itself is called My Cooking Box. This is their website. What My Cooking Box is literally a box with all the ingredients you need to prepare a certain recipe. So the one that I was given for Christmas is peachy al tartufo con briciole di pane e acciughe. So peachy, which is this type of pasta, which is a very thick spaghetti with the breadcrumbs and anchovies. And I have tried it. It was delicious. And so I'm really happy to show you guys this product and talk to you about it. Now, I think the reason why this product works is because it gives you exactly all the ingredients in the exact quantities that you need to make one specific recipe. But to me, probably the most important reason why this product works is for one type of specific target user. In fact, My Cooking Box is targeted not only to Italians who want to create a recipe and have all the ingredients and not get crazy about finding these ingredients, but it also targets tourists and foreigners, people who come to Italy, enjoy Italy, and want to take home a piece of Italy, and specifically a piece of Italian food. But as you know, when you travel abroad, it's often difficult to find the exact ingredients that you need to reproduce a recipe from another country. This way, when you travel to Italy and you fall in love with Italian cooking, you can bring home an exact recipe with the exact ingredients that you need in the exact quantities, and you can recreate the exact flavors wherever it is that you want to go. Or if you are already abroad and you haven't even traveled to Italy but you want a taste of Italy, then you can purchase it online. What I found interesting, and of course there is maybe a little downside here, even though I think that the concept actually works. The website says we created My Cooking Box with the aim of reducing waste and using high quality products to make cooking easier. Definitely there are high quality products in it for what I could experience, but I don't think this product actually reduces waste. It probably reduces food waste. So maybe let's say the jar of anchovies and truffle oil, maybe you buy a whole one and then you make one recipe in your life, and then this bottle of truffle oil you will have to throw away. So they give you the exact quantity that you need for that recipe. In that sense, it reduces the amount of food waste, but it does not reduce the amount of waste in general. Specifically, it actually increases, unfortunately, the amount of food packaging, and so plastic and paper and whatnot. In fact, you will see in a moment, I'm going to show you a little footage of my mom, Simonetta, making this recipe, this peachy pasta. And you will see that inside the packaging there are 4 little bottles of oil and the jar of truffle and anchovies, and they all look beautiful and they all look super cute, and the quantity is exact and the recipe comes out brilliant, but it is in fact a lot of waste in terms of plastic and in terms of the plastic mainly and paper. So unfortunately it does not do that. The other reason why I wanted to show you this product is because my good friend Roberto, who gave this present to me, is actually an investor in this product. So this is the platform that I wanted to show you, and actually the type of thing shared economy concept that I want to talk to you about. This is the Italian website called crowdfundme.it. And this is an Italian website, it's all in Italian, where people can invest in startups and in other people's companies. Now, there are also international ones that I have found. For example, wefounder.com This one is called 1000angels.com, and this one is called seedrs.com, so seedrs.com. This type of the reason why I wanted to show you this website is that for the same reason, but from two different angles. First of all, you could choose to invest in a food startup that you think is wonderful and makes a lot of sense. And wherever you are in the world, I think you can do this with this international website. But also for you food designers, if you are starting a food startup, you may consider finding investors in this type of websites. So finding, external fundings from this type of websites. And now enjoy a little footage of my mom Simonetta making this recipe. I hope you found this useful, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Finally, let me say thank you to my friend Roberto for this delicious Christmas gift. And to all of you, as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day and happy food design.